Welcome back. Imagine two computers sitting in different rooms. They are connected through the multiple switch. But how does the data actually travel from one computer to another? In this video, I will show you step by step how multiple switch communication works using Cisco Packet Tracer. We will build a real network topology, configure, switch, assign IP addresses, and test communication using ping command. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand how switch communicate inside the LAN networks, which is fundamental concept in CCNA networking. Before opening Cisco Packet Tracer, let's understand what we are going to build. In this tutorial, we will connect two PC through the two switch. The topology will look like this. PC, PC0, PC1, and switch 1 and switch 2. Both computers will be inside the same networks and the switch will forward data between them. This setup is actually very common in enterprise networks where multiple switch from backbone of a LAN local area networks. Here we have a PC connected with the switch 0 and switch 0 connected with switch 1 and switch 1 connected to the PC 1. The switch acts like a traffic controller for the network communication. The forward data frame between devices. So we understand what is switch. A switch operates at OSI layer 2, which is called data link layer. It's forward data using MAC addresses. When a device sends data for the first time, the switch learns the MAC address and store it in a MAC address table. This allows the switch to send data to the correct port instead of broadcasting everywhere. Now let's open Cisco Packet Tracer and build the network step by step. First, we need to add the devices. Go to the end device and drag like this. PC there, 0, PC 1. Like this. Now go to the end device. We drag the switch. Switch 0 and switch 1. Now we connect device using copper through cable. Fast Ethernet, then switch port, then fast Ethernet switch port. Now connect both switch. Now we configure IP version 4 address for both computers. So we will click PC 0, desktop, assign IP addresses like this. 192.168.20.1. Subnet marks is automatically appear 255.255.255.0. Now we will assign IP address to the PC1 like this, and this. 192.168.20.2. Both devices must be in same subnet for the LAN communication. We are going to configure a switch. So we will go to the switch CLI mode. This. Now we will go to the enable mode, global configuration mode, terminal. Now we will assign interface. We have a range like this and this. So if A 0/1, if A 0/24 PCs, switch port mode access, then switch port access VLAN 1. Now show no shutdown, exit, and now we will write memory, enter. And this command active the port and assign them to the VLAN 1, which is default VLAN. Repeat the same configuration for the switch 1. Now we will move to switch 1. Enable configuration terminal, interface, range, FA 0/1, FA for 600 0/24. Enter. Switch port mode, access switch port, access VLAN 1. Yes, we have a switch VLAN 1. Enter. So no shutdown, exit, then in, and then in. Now write the memory, enter. Now we will take show brief VLAN brief, enter. Now you see that we will default active all ports. Now we will see the active now that this command show that all ports are active and assigned to the VLAN 1. And now open PC command prompt to check communication using, like, we will click the PC 0 command prompt. Now we will type ping 192.168.20.2. Enter. If everything is configured correctly, we should receive successfully reply. This verifies switch communication access both switch. And now we will check sending data with the simulation mode. We will select the PDU. We will click send PDU from the PC 0 to PC 1. Now we will start simulation. When PC send packet, the both look like this. PC data going to the switch 1, and then switch 0 send to the data packet to the switch 1, then switch 1 send data to the PC 1, then PC 1 forward data to the PC 1, then PC switch 1 and data sent to the switch 0, then switch 0 sent to the data PC 0. If communication does not work, check these things. All switch port are no shutdown. Both PCs have a correct IP address. Both switch use the same VLAN. Cable are connected correctly. In large companies, use multiple switch connected together to build large LAN networks. This is called a multi-switch architectures. In this lab, we learn how to connect two PC across two switch, and how to configure IP version 4 addresses, and how to active switch port, and how to verify VLAN configuration, and how to test network communication. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to Fast Tech. On this channel, I will share tutorial about Cisco Packet Tracer Labs, networking fundamentals, free IT certification, cybersecurity, and future content on a quantum technology. This is end of today's lecture. We will meet on a next tutorial. Goodbye.